Hello, my name is Paul Melrose and welcome to this fourth video in a series of short videos introducing new users to Google+. In this video we're going to have a look at sharing and creating content and commenting on other people's posts. If you want to create content or share content, you begin on your homepage and at the top you'll see a little box that says share what's new. Simply click on this and begin writing what you want to share. Once you've written your text, you can add media content, photos, videos, links. I'm going to add a YouTube clip. So I click on this, I click on YouTube, enter URL. I already have the URL cut and pasted. So put it in, click add a video. Now I have to decide who I want to share the post with. Now it'll automatically have the last people I shared with by default, but I would like to share with extended circles. Now extended circles is all the people in your circles plus the people in their circles. I'm going to click on this and it'll automatically send it out to those people. I'm going to click share and there we have it. Our post is up. We can see it in extended circles. And this is the content. Now over here on the right hand side there's a little arrow. I click this and I get a drop down, give me some options. I can lock the post, I can disable comments, I can delete the post, or I can edit. If I click edit, I'll go back in and I can add or edit and save. And that's how you share content and how you add new content of your own. Perhaps you see a post from someone you like. Let's see, Jerry here has a post, and let's say we want to share her post. We simply click share. Perhaps add a comment. And I will share this only with my friends this time, and click share. And if I go back up the top, I see that particular content has now been shared as one of my posts. Now I'm going to go back in again and make a new post, and I'm going to show you some editing features that you can use to highlight and bold your text. So we're going to give a title, and I'm going to give it an asterisk there, and give me title. And I want to underline, I want to italicize, so and if I want to strike through, I do that, and this time I'm going to share it with religious. I click share, and now you can see how I've been able to change the typeface to bold, to italic, and to strike through. That's my basic way of sharing content and adding features to the actual typeface itself. Now let's say I want to comment on someone's post. I'm going to go back down to Jerry. I can click on +1. +1 is like saying great, nice. It's a short way of just commenting. But if you want to actually add some substance, click on comment, and you can put in whatever you want to hear. And click post comment, and that'll go in there. Now if you have someone like Jerry Ryan who is going to have a lot of people following her, and you can see there's 67 posts here, you can be pretty sure that after you make a comment, somebody else will make a comment as well. And when that happens, you're going to get a notification, and it will appear up here in the right hand side in a little box. So the more you become active on Google+, the more you're going to see the notifications being activated. I've just paused the video for a few moments, and during that time I went down to several of these posts with long comment numbers and added in little comments here, just so you'll see how notifications work. So if I look up here now, I've got number 3 in notifications, and I click on this, you'll see what's happened. James Cartwright commented on a post you commented on. If I click on that, you can see the comments, and if I click on post, we go to the actual post itself. So Jerry Ryan posted, and if I go down the very end, you can see my post here, great post, and underneath James Cartwright. And if I want to, I can actually click on James Cartwright to find more information or even add him to my circles. I'm going to go back into notifications, and I see there's two here from Paul Melrose. The first one is a comment on a post. So remember I shared Jerry Ryan's post. Well, here it is here. And Paul Melrose commented underneath, excellent point. If I go back in, I can click on the 0 where I can go back to notifications here. And Paul Melrose also +1'd one of your posts, and it was this post here. So Paul Melrose left a little +1. If you have lots of pluses here and you click on it, you'll see the number of people or the names of the people who plussed your posts. So that's how your basic interaction works. Let's go back into our home page. I'm going to click on the plus nom over in the corner. That's the quickest way to go back into it. And I'm ready to share more content. The basic rules with sharing content is if you're sharing somebody else's post, it's always a good idea to add some kind of comment at the top. It tells people why you're sharing it and gives them a reason to read. If you're going to share a photograph that somebody's posted, always say that it's not your photograph, that it was taken by somebody else. This is a courtesy to the photographer. It's also a legal requirement. Any material that is shared here will be copyright of the original owner. So that's your basic introduction to sharing content on Google+. One more piece of advice is if you're going to get involved in long threads, especially when you're talking about technology, you're going to find a lot of people out there who are called trolls. I'll write that here. And a troll is somebody who goes on comments to antagonize other people, and they'll say things which are highly inflammatory. Just ignore them. And if you see someone who is a troll, you can block them. So let's say I go down to Paul Melrose here, and I think this person is a problem person. I can go over in the corner and I can click a little flag here, and I can click this and report this person for abuse, or I can remove the comment from your thread if you want to. That's the end of this last basic introductory video for Google+. I will be making more videos, but they be specifically about different features of Google+, like managing photographs and Hangouts and stuff like this. But these 4 videos are the basic introduction to using Google+. Last thing to remember is these videos were made at the end of 2011. And by the time you see them, maybe in 2012, Google will have added more features. So be prepared to see some things on your Google interface which might not have been covered here. My name is Paul Melrose, and thank you for watching.